That was smart. Hello, everyone. So, sorry, shutting the door and everything. No work today. So after a crazy hectic morning of trying to, getting my truck started, jumped. The freaking battery died again. Stupid breathalyzer kills my battery. Don't drink and drive, kids. Gone through like 10 batteries in 2 years because of that stupid thing. But anyway, decided I was gonna go pond hopping today. Something I haven't done in a while. I got a bunch of new ponds. This one I saw when I was working out here yesterday, and look at this. It's a lot bigger than I thought. It isn't even a pond. Look, all the way over there. That's pretty good size. So yeah, well, we're gonna try it anyway. Hopefully they'll hit the top water this morning. Let's get to it. My goodness, it is chilly this morning. It's chilly, chilly, chilly. Well, the good news is the wind was blowing right towards me, so I'm gonna start right back in here. Wind-blown bank, man. And hopefully get some on the plopper. Alright, something doesn't feel right about this spot to me, so move. I think there's some trees and better stuff around the corner that the wind's still hitting. So. See if I can get over in there a little bit better. Alrighty. I'm gonna go back to this corner where it's a little calmer. So I keep seeing big fish jumping around back there. We'll see. It's so hard to tell if it's deeper or if that's just the weeds, but there we go. Little guy. Come out to a new place and I'm still on the little guy pattern. Still catching the giants, boys, from this weekend. But hey, starting it off. Finally. Neither had to do something in here. Now let's see if there's a school. Oh, just got hit. Just got hit. Just got hit. Crapola. Holy crap, there's a drainage pipe right here. So there's a drainage pipe in the freaking water. If anything's hanging out by it. There we go. Ooh, that's a good one. Give me your mouth. Open your mouth. You fucking asshole. Open your freaking mouth. What are you doing? Stop. Yeah, buddy. There you go. Yes, yes, yes. So there are some pretty decent ones in here. There you go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Dude. And they're freaking fighters. And he's off. Alright. That was a beautiful release. He was freaking mad. He was a fighter. There we go. Finally got a decent one. Alright. We're good now. Alright, so back in the truck, obviously. But I stayed for like another hour, maybe. After that decent one you guys saw. Caught another little dink, like 10-incher. Noticed my camera was dead when I was trying to hold it up to the camera. I didn't even put another battery in. Screw it. Little 10-incher, nothing spectacular. But yeah, now I think it's time for lunch. So, or breakfast. It's still breakfast. And go do that. And then go hit up pond number 2. I was originally just gonna, I had about 4 to 6 ponds, I think, I had in mind. And I was originally just gonna hit one for an hour and then go to another one for an hour. But I kind of screwed that up because I stayed about a little over 2 hours here, so. But yeah, so a couple of dinks, one good one. I'm happy about the good one. So that kind of gives me hope for this place. This place is really actually pretty cool though. I like it. I wish I could have a kayak out here, but No. But also the water, I could tell, is like a foot, maybe even a little more, maybe even 2 foot shallow right now. So I think once it comes up a little bit, you know, once it's at normal capacity, I think those little cuts and things will be even better. So definitely a place to check out in the future. So, but anyway, I'm gonna go get some lunch. So I gotta figure out where lunch is. And then we'll go to pond number 2. So you guys probably see me at pond number 2. Well, there's not much of structure here. Was gonna throw some casts at that dock, but stupid went right in front of me and just decides to sit right there. So didn't want to cast at her. Stupid. Well, stupid move. There's one. It's a good one. Hit it on the fall. Holy crap, hold on. Take a 5. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. Hit it on the fall. Yeah. That's a good one right there. It's another good one. Yeah, it's like 3.5, 4. That was a little bigger, but that was like 4 for sure. Well, I'm back home. It's like 12 now. Freaking got tired. I'm not used to pond hopping anymore. I got lazy with the boat and a freaking kayak. Oh man. Yeah, I just got over it. But yeah, not bad. 4 fish, 2 of them pretty good, so I'll take that. Both ponds look really nice, so I'll fish them again in the future. That second one, I tried fishing along the dam for a while, and there's so many carp jumping like crazy along the dam, so yeah. But just got over it and headed home, so yeah. See you guys on the next one. Click on my logo in the upper left hand corner to subscribe. In the upper right hand corner is the last video I made. In the lower right hand corner there's a video I know you'll enjoy. And make sure to hit that like button down below as well.